the sum of distances of this particular point, let me call this point as point P, from the foci of this particular ellipse is what is the question asked. Let me say foci will be F1 and F2. PF1 plus PF2 should be equal to what is the question asked. Is it okay? The distance of this point from the foci of the ellipse, but this ellipse is not at the not having the vertex at the center, right? So what we do, we first divide by 400, directly. You cannot write this is equal to 2a because the vertex or the center is not at the origin now. So I can say x minus 2 the whole square divided by how much, 25, plus y plus 3 the whole square divided by how much, 16, that is equal to 1, correct? Compare with x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1. This implies a square is equal to 25, b square is equal to 16, a square is equal to b square plus c square, 25 is equal to 16 plus c square, 9 is equal to c square, c is equal to plus or minus 3, correct? C is equal to plus or minus 3. What is this eccentricity is equal to c divided by a, correct or not? Eccentricity of this particular ellipse will be c. C is how much? 3 divided by a value will be equal to 5, but that is not required now. So I will get therefore the focus will be what? Plus or minus 3. If you compare like this, definitely 25 is bigger than 16, right? So I can say the foci will be plus or minus c comma 0, plus or minus 3 comma 0. So this point is of the form now, this point is of the form x comma y, right? So I may say capital X, that is equal to plus or minus 3, and capital Y is equal to 0, correct? What is capital X? Capital X is nothing but, what is capital X? Capital X is nothing but x minus 2, capital Y is nothing but y plus 3. So x minus 2, that is equal to plus or minus 3, x minus 2 is equal to 3, or x minus 2, that is equal to how much? That is equal to minus 3, and y plus 3 is equal to 0. So what's the value of y is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 5, correct or not? So the distance is this point. Now what is this f1? Now f1 will be what? The coordinate of f1 will be how much? The coordinate of f1 will be 5 comma minus 3, and the coordinate of the point f2 will be equal to how much? Point f2 will be equal to minus 1 comma minus 3, right? And the point P will be equal to 2 comma minus 3. Now you first calculate this distance and this distance. Is it okay? So how to calculate Pf1? Using the distance formula, 2 minus 5 the whole square minus 3 the whole square will be 9, plus 0 plus square root of 2 plus 1 3 the whole square 9 plus 0. So this answer will be equal to 3 plus 3, which is equal to how much units now? 6 units is the required answer to the given question. This is the answer.